Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cedar Valley Acres. If you guys missed it in our last episode, we actually got our septic system installed and the inspection passed. If you guys want, go ahead and check that video out. It's in the top right hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that little link. If you guys haven't taken a second, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now and ring that bell for notifications. That way you guys stay up to date as we continue on our journey. As you can see, Dad was having some fun here with the Caterpillar, moving a ton of dirt, literally tons and tons and tons of dirt, to get ready for putting our house in. We went through and had the transit all set up, that way we could make sure that we were getting the proper elevations needed to put the foundation in place. And once we got everything level, it was time to start measuring out where the house would go. So we put some stakes in the ground, we measured off the property lines where it needed to go, and then started measuring out for the corners of the house. Started out with measuring the overall lengths and setting up strings so that we could get the exact corners and make sure everything is perfectly square. And after we got the final measurement done and the final post pounded in, it was time to start digging ground. And as we dug, we hit rock. Lots and lots of rock. And it wasn't too long before tragedy struck, and we ended up breaking a hose on the Caterpillar. So Jared took some time, went through, pulled the old hose out. We were able to head up to one of the local stores and get a new hose made for it. After we got the new hose cut and the end crimped on it, we're able to head back and have that put back on the Caterpillar so that we could start work once again. And with the last of the bolts tightened down and the fittings tightened up, we could start digging. And with the ground being as hard as it was, we decided to come up with a new plan for how that we were going to dig, because it took all day to dig just one little section.
Alright, so what are we doing today, Drac?
So Drac and I hopped in the car and we decided that we were going to head down to the local auto parts place and pick up some new teeth for the bucket to see if that would make a difference. Drac decided he was going to keep an eye on the vehicle while I was inside looking for the teeth, and I found them. So now it's time to make my way back home so that we could get those put on and keep digging. And with the new teeth on the bucket, it dug through the rock like butter. And just a little bit later, we're able to get all of the footings dug out with a Caterpillar. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications. And we'll catch you in the next one.